All right, Luna, this is not a good time. Go away. So I'm going to Google. This is sort of like the fast way, okay? I really do love using Etym online, and I'm going to do that for this right now, for this word, so you can see the difference. But you can go to Etym online, and you can just search the word right here. And if I type in the word motion, let's see what comes up. Motion as a verb and motion as a noun. That's what those two things mean, a verb or a noun. And then we go motionless as an adjective. We don't want those. Let's just look at the very top one, a verb. And then it gives us the history. Late 15th century. Okay, so here we go. To request a petition from motion, the noun. La la la, la la la. To guide or direct, la-di-da. Okay, interesting. I don't think that's going to be related to what we want. So let's look at the noun. Okay, late 14th century, suggestion, process of moving. La la la, movement, motion, change, alteration. 13th century. From Latin, a moving, a motion, an emotion. Oh, wait, here we finally get to something. From the past participle stem movere, M-O-V-E-R-E, to move. From the pi root, I don't know how to say that, to push away. So here we go. We have a lot of things. You could be writing down a lot of different things here. If you were to say to push away, I would say that was correct. If you were to say movement, motion, change, alteration, that would be correct. But the easiest thing and the one that makes the most sense when we hear the word motion, it means to move. And so that's what I wrote here, to move. Now, I told you I was going to show you a shortcut, and there is. I like to go that way because, gosh, it tells you about the, it was French or it was Latin or it's Greek and all that stuff. So I really do want you to do that because I just love to study words, and I think that's fun and interesting, and I like history. But anyway, here is the shortcut. Etymology, motion. Okay, here we go. Looky, looky. Motion, and it does tell us it's Latin. And we got that word again, M-O-V-E-R-E, movere, I think. Then it went to motio, to eventually motion, so you get to see the progression in a nice little line there. But originally, this Latin meant to move. So again, this is a little bit like cheating because you're not getting all the details, but you're going to get what you need. And that is exactly what I'm looking for when it comes to this sheet. You could move down to the next one, force, and do the same thing on your computer. Etymology, we're still in Google. Okay, force, it's telling us again it went from Latin to Old French. The original word was fortis, which means strong. Very cool. So then, right here in the middle, I would write strong. Got it. Now, everything makes sense until you start to get down to the ones that have suffixes and prefixes. ity is a suffix, ac is a prefix. Then we have the root word, which is going to be easier to find. But here is something that you can do for that. So on your lovely Googling, type a dash, because